Top 10 e-bikes of 2022. More and more people are joining the electric bike movement, and for good reason. E-bikes are a great way to ride farther and take the sting out of steep hills. Beginner and veteran cyclists alike rely on their electric bikes for daily commutes, off-road adventures, and weekend joyrides. So in this video, we are going to tell you the top 10 e-bikes of 2022. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. Fito D11 Folding E-Bike. I'm normally not the biggest fan of foldable bikes, but the Fito D11 convinces me that they can be super utilitarian and look great too. The innovative design cleverly conceals a high-capacity 11.6 Ah battery in the seat tube, preserving the bike's sleek aesthetic. The D11 is a Class 1 e-bike that weighs a slim and portable 38 pounds, so you can easily carry it on our metro or up some stairs. The 250-watt motor only goes up to 16 miles per hour, but that's plenty of pace for daily city riding. That smaller motor allows for a huge range of up to 62 miles on a single charge. The hidden cables and simple frame design make this e-bike stand out, ideal for aesthetically minded riders that want to commute in style. Enjoy plenty of gears, mechanical disc brakes, and skinny tires for a complete urban package. Riders won't have to sacrifice on looks with this impressive foldable e-bike built to go far and fit anywhere. Number 9. Mercedes Formula E Team E-Bike. While the price tag might be a shock, it's not surprising that an e-bike manufactured by the Mercedes Formula E racing team is one of the most technologically advanced bikes in the world. There's usually a trade-off between sleekness and power, but the extreme engineering on this bike fits impressive performance into a slim package. The 6061 aluminum frame houses a 250-watt mid-drive motor and long-lasting battery that fully charges in under 3.5 hours. The bike's pace tops out at 20 miles per hour and can go 43 miles on a single charge. There's also a state-of-the-art carbon belt drive that's maintenance-free and looks, well, ultra cool. Maybe the best feature is the Mercedes EQ digital dashboard, a LCD display that's integrated into the bike's cockpit. The integrated handlebar and stem transform into a screen that shows ride telemetry and your most important stats. If you didn't feel like you were riding a race car already, this futuristic dashboard will convince you. You'll need some serious cash to purchase this bike, but the sophisticated style and high-tech touches can be a worthwhile investment. This bike is best suited to weekend joyrides and city riding, and you should be prepared for all the attention it will draw from cycling and racing enthusiasts alike. Number 8. AddMotor M60. The AddMotor M60 is a mope-style e-bike that combines 21st century technology with vintage cruiser flair. In contrast to the Himaway Cruiser's futuristic look, this e-bike utilizes thin frame tubing that's reminiscent of classic beach cruiser style that adds to the fun. There's room on the moped bench seat for 2, useful rear foot pegs for your passenger, and a powerful Bafang 750-watt motor that can handle heavy loads and steep hills. Riders can toggle between pedal assist or throttle mode. The high-capacity 16Ah external battery is rated for 55 miles per charge. While the seat can't be adjusted, the handlebar stem can angle up or down to fit any rider. Another unique component is the double crown front fork design, usually reserved for hard-hitting downhill bikes, that is stronger and more stable than standard suspension. Perfect for staying comfortable in the city and beach boardwalks, the AddMotor M60 is a fun retro design that packs a punch. Number 7. Snapcycle R1. I've said it before and I'll say it again. The Snapcycle R1 punches well above its weight. These days, so many fat tire e-books look the same and share specs, but this model boasts above average tech and great aesthetics. The bike ships as a Class 2 bike, but can be configured with Class 3 settings and reach 28 miles per hour without pedaling. The Snapcycle R1 can run in either throttle or pedal assist modes and has an upper limit of 45 miles on a single charge. It's fairly heavy at 72 pounds, but the powerful 750-watt motor and hydraulic brakes ensure a fun and controlled ride experience. There's an extra-length LCD display that makes it easier to read all your bike stats and a loud push-button horn to alert cars of your presence, even in busy, noisy traffic. Fat tire e-bikes are expected to have beefy down tubes to hold the battery, and Snapcycle took advantage of that extra real estate by writing the brand name in a shimmery paint that glistens in the sun. It's a small detail, but I can't help but love it. Feel at home riding off-road or in the city on this multi-purpose fat tire e-bike. If you're looking for something different, the Snapcycle R1 stands out with its user-friendly tech and stellar looks. Number 6. Rad Rover 6 Plus. Rad Rover being on this list shouldn't be a surprise. The innovative brand is a driving force behind the growing popularity of e-bikes in North America. The Rad Rover 6 Plus is the latest fat tire e-bike in the lineup, complete with new hydraulic disc brakes and a semi-integrated battery design. This Class 2 e-bike is the king of versatility, designed for off-road adventures, as well as comfortable commuting. The 4-inch Kenda Juggernaut tires were plenty grippy during our snow tests and aren't overkill on pavement. Enjoy the powerful 750-watt motor and reach up to 20 miles per hour in either throttle mode or the 5-pedal assist levels. Choose the 6 Plus if you're expecting to tackle different terrains or want to be able to ride all year round. The beefy setup features fenders, integrated lights, and a well-thought-out LCD display. As one of the most popular models this year, it's hard to overrate this impressive do-it-all e-bike that's worth the price. Number 5. Volt Alpha Belt Drive. Complete with a belt drive and ultra-sleek design, the Volt Alpha is one of the best e-bikes available in 2022. For riders that prefer simplicity over heavy batteries and overpowered motors, this bike checks all the boxes. Feel free to take this bike on your daily commute, weekend joyride, or adventure all across the city. The Volt Alpha is one of only 2 belt drive options on this list, hooking up the 350-watt rear hub motor to the single gear belt. This Class 1 e-bike has 5 levels of pedal assist as well as walk mode, but forgoes a throttle option. The sleek down-tube located battery is almost imperceptible and has a 20 to 40 mile range on a single charge. Additional features include hydraulic brakes, front and rear rechargeable lights, and a useful USB outlet to keep your phone charged during rides. There are cleverly placed mounts all over the bike for fenders, racks, or extra water bottle cages. Most e-bikes these days only come in black or gray, so I'm a big fan of the Alpha's unique chalk white colorway option. For aesthetically minded cyclists who want decent power, the Volt Alpha is a sure bet. Number 4. Propella 7S. By far the lightest e-bike on this list, the Propeller 7S is a road bike-inspired model designed to give you extra pace on city streets. Weighing in at a slim 37 pounds, this e-bike is easy to load onto a bike rack and feels natural to pedal even while not using the motor. At first glance, onlookers may not even realize the Propeller is an e-bike given its skinny wheels and lightweight frame. The only giveaway is the small but mighty battery mounted on the down tube, roughly the size of 1 or 2 water bottles. The pared down package has a range of 20 to 40 miles depending on what level of pedal assist you're using. There's no throttle mode for ultra-quick acceleration, but once the bike gets moving, the bike handles extremely well and is capable of reaching 18.5 miles per hour. Reliable shifting and mechanical disc brakes round out the bike, and there are plenty of accessory options. Riders that are used to standard road bikes or lightweight hybrids will fall in love with this nimble e-bike that's more streamlined than other beefier models. Number 3. Ride 1UP 700 Series. The Ride 1UP 700 Series is the brand's flagship e-bike featuring a hybrid design and powerful 750-watt rear hub motor. This fan-favorite e-bike has made a splash due to its high-quality, brand-name components and affordable price tag, a rare combination among rival models. This Class 3 e-bike reaches a maximum speed of 28 miles per hour with pedal assist and tops out at 20 miles per hour using the throttle. The 14Ah Samsung battery tucks into the down tube and lasts 30 to 50 miles on a single charge depending on level of assist and terrain. Dominate the urban jungle with city-inspired specs like the useful rear rack and 2.4-inch Schwalbe Supermoto tires, as well as alloy fenders and integrated front and rear lights. The alloy frame comes in stylish gray or light blue in both standard or step-through geometry. The 700 series is the ideal package for beginners to join the e-bike movement and zoom around the city, all without breaking a sweat. Number 2. Himaway Escape Pro. One of the 2 moped-style e-bikes on this list, the Himaway Escape Pro is the perfect companion in the city. It's a commuter bike on steroids with wide tires and full suspension in addition to a comfortable upright sitting position. The Escape Pro strikes the right balance between bike and moped. The top speed is 20 miles per hour in pedal assist or throttle mode. Ride up to 45 miles on a single charge and enjoy the zippy handling thanks to the bike's low center of gravity. We tested the Escape in the snow as well and were impressed with the reliable 7-speed drivetrain and behemoth 4-inch tires. Himaway included front and rear suspension to absorb road buzz and float over potholes for plenty of cushion, even at high speeds. Keep in mind that the moped-style seat can be adjusted, so riders should be okay with a relaxed pedaling position with less leg extension. If that's your jam, the Himaway Escape Pro will be your secret weapon for commuting and getting around the city with ease. Number 1. Aventon Adventure. The Aventon Adventure is a powerful fat tire e-bike designed for off-road thrills. It ships as a Class 2 e-bike, but can be easily configured to Class 3 specs, increasing the top speed to 28 miles per hour. Additional customization options with the Aventon app and color LCD display provide a more personal ride experience out on the trails. The beveled frame design and neatly integrated battery make the Adventure impressively sleek for a fat bike. The 750-watt Bafang motor delivers power via 5 pedal assist levels, or you can use throttle mode for on-demand speed. The 15Ah battery fully charges in just 4 to 5 hours and has a maximum range of 45 miles. Mountain bikers will love the ultra-capable 4-inch fat tires, front suspension, and hydraulic disc brakes to conquer mixed terrains. Don't put this bike in a box though. It also performs well in the city and is super comfortable on paved surfaces. If you're looking for a do-it-all e-bike, the Adventure packs a serious punch and looks great too. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe and we will be back soon with another video.